Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel these Lakshmi Mata cards are, and I shall bring in more and more of readings with her. Today I feel start your day with the Surya Mudra for 10 minutes and also chant the Gayatri mantra when you start your day. The Om Bhur Bhusva. I feel today you should start your day with her mantra, and in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30 if you can burn a ghee diya and hear the Shri Sukta. This is what I felt guided when I was going to pull cards. I'm yet to pull cards, but then when I just was shuffling and keeping the cards, I felt these two things you need to do. Today you can wear the color orange. I feel orange is needed more because for some of you I have a feeling that sacral chakra is blocked and it is creating a lot of emotional issues also. So let's see a beautiful goddess. It's one of my favorite goddess. She is the one who destroys all evils, Varahi Mata. In fact, I still remember in one of my workshops I have taken detailed study on her, and I used to also get statues of hers and send it to students. She is a very powerful Devi. Let's see the next one. Okay, the goddess of love is come. So maybe the overall message I feel is not to worry. You and your loved ones are protected. Maybe you're worried about the health issues of any of your family members or health issues of yours, or maybe you're worried that am I protected, is my loved one protected. So that is the overall message, but let's see what is in store for you today. So, whenever Varahi Amman, whenever she comes for a reading, it means though there are challenges, but Varahi will clear the challenges in your career, in your finances, whether it is your future, whether it is anything, just seek her blessings, just pray to her, and she will clear your whatever is your obstacles in all the phases of your life. Maybe what you can do is you can in YouTube put on the Varahi mantra and just hear that every day for the next 1 week, so that you are able to come out of all the financial or work related or personal related obstacles and be successful. Whenever Radha comes, basically she will say that be careful for things around you. There are difficulties, but with love and affection everything can be resolved. With proper unconditional love and care, you can get the solutions to all your problems. So don't worry. When Varahi Amman is with you, you don't have to worry about anything else at all. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.